pack boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it's 4th and 2? Oh no! Oh! Oh! How many Hail Marys does this man have left in the tank, man? Hey, y'all Cowboys fans better watch out now. Y'all thought the Giants was the only thing I gotta worry about? He's a damn. About them Dolphins though. But dude, it's like, who is Aaron Rodgers praying to every night? What this? You don't, and it's like he don't like, hey, that is off the hook, man. Damn. Well, it's some crazy playoffs, man. We thought the Giants was gonna be the ones that go to the Cowboys, but damn, Aaron Rodgers looks like it's gonna be him. Ooh-wee.